Okay, thank you. HRV member, the new car install the vacuum tap, the auto tailgate power boot. Still can sim, can use the remote control. Press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then got the original, no need drill, original got button here. It's a very clear, it's a, you can see it's very clear. It's a button, just press. It's a vacuum tap. Okay, and then can use the kick sensor too. Kick sensor, when I carry on something, can use kick sensor. When you carry on something bigger, you can use no hand, you can use a kick sensor. Then pass it back. Thank you for watching the video. If you feel interesting, pick up your phone, call me 017 607 393797. Thank you.